broth and some butter. Just a little butter, and the chicken broth already has a little salt to it, so no salt added, just a little pepper. And these grits, I'm gonna let them come to a boil. I'm gonna put a top on it and let them simmer for a while. Yeah. Sauteing a little kale with onion here and some grapeseed oil. Gonna take this out and cook our shrimp very quickly. And moving over here, our grits are nice and creamy. I've added in some extra sharp cheddar. If you follow me, you know I love my extra sharp cheddar cheese. So these shrimp and grits are coming along quite nicely. Oh, I can't wait. Look how that cheese is melting all in these grits. Ooh, yeah. Shrimps here in the bowl, all seasoned with some smoked paprika, Cajun seasoning, and a little garlic and pepper, and we're ready to go. I've taken out the kale and the onion, and I'm about to cook these shrimp up real quick, and we're gonna plate this. Ooh, yummy. The pan's all hot with a little grapeseed oil, and here we go. These shrimp in here. They won't take long at all. Like I said, you never want to overcook shrimp. Okay, the shrimp are sizzling along, and they are going to cook all total about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to flip them over in probably another minute. Oh yeah. I've diced up some turkey bacon, well, a little bit larger than diced. And I got that turkey bacon in here with the shrimp, and honey, we are cooking up some goodness here. I cannot wait to see the final presentation. It's just gonna be awesome. We are almost at the finish line. Yes. Ooh, look at that bacon. Oh, and now we've got one happy family here all together with our kale, onion, turkey bacon, and the star, the shrimp, and the co-star, the grits. Or maybe the grits are, well, we'll give both the grits and the shrimp star status. Oh yeah, this is cooking along. Woo! Honey, we're done. Let's get ready to plate. Feast your eyes on this. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful? Look at that. We are all done. Shrimp and grits. And we added in some turkey bacon, a little kale and onion. Oh my goodness, this is fitting to be some really, really good eating. Oh yes. Oh yes.